For numbers 1, 2, and I think I'll look at number 3 as well, or maybe number 4. Writing the equation based on this, and a lot of you did start the homework, you're able to do this. This gives you your h and k. They give you the 1 point. They're saying that the vertex is located here. There's h and k. And they give you the p-value. This is the easy version. So all you're doing is plugging all these into h, k, and p right there. So if we start with x, is this going to be, there's your h value. Is this going to be plus or minus 3?
Minus.
Minus, there's positive 3 becomes minus 3 in the parentheses. Squared equals 4 times, what is the p-value now?
Negative
2.
Negative 2 right in there. And then y plus or minus 7? Plus. Opposite of minus 7 gives you plus 7. And the only thing you have to do to write the equation, to finish the equation, just multiply out the 4 and negative 2. 4 times negative 2 is?
Negative
8. 8, and then y plus 7, so there's your equation. In number 2, it's a little less straightforward, because now you're asked to write the equation of the parabola with vertex, and there's your h and k like last time. And now they give you the focus point. And it says draw a sketch to help. Now if we start writing the equation, it'll be x plus or minus 2?
Minus 2.
Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. Again, opposite of that positive. Equals. We don't know the p-value yet, because the last time they said p equals. We don't know that here. We can write the y though. It'll be y, and then what's after the y?
Minus 7.
Minus
7. Wait.
Four.
Oh yeah, 4.
4. Now for the p-value, it says draw a sketch to help. If I draw just a little short grid, and I go to that vertex, right 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my vertex. So it's either going up or down from there. But then they tell us that the focus is at 2 and 7. So I go from 2 and then up 3 more to 7. Since that focus point is there, what direction should the parabola be going? Should be going up, because that focus point has to be inside the parabola. And we don't need the directrix. All we need to know is this distance right here. What is that distance?
3.
3. Just 3 units. It went from 4 to 7,
3.
which is just 3 units. That's the p-value. And that's positive because it's going up. So here, instead of just p equals 3, it'll be 4 times that 3. What's 4 times 3? 12. There's your equation, x minus 2 squared equals 12 times y minus 4. Number 3 is a lot like that. Number 4, they give you the directrix. So if you sketch the graph, I won't do all of number 4, but if you sketch the graph, the focus is at 0 and 8. There's, let's say 8 is right there. Directrix is y equals negative 2, which means your dashed line would be going there, which means the parabola has to go somewhere here. How do we find where the vertex would be?
Go up.
Would it be above this focus or below it?
Below it.
So it's got to be in here somewhere. Where in here would it be?
Midpoint.
Be where?
Midpoint.
Midpoint, right. It'd be exactly right in the middle. So from 8 to negative 2 is 10 spaces total. The midpoint would be right here, 3 up. So that would be your parabola. The vertex would be at 0 and 3. So you still have to write the equation. X minus what? 0, which is just going to be x squared. What's the p-value? P-value is, remember, half of that distance, 10, which was 5. So that's going to be 20 in front of the y minus 3. So your equation's got x squared on the left, 20 times y minus 3 squared on the right, and we did have time to finish that whole problem. There's number 4. That's not this. Stop. You can stop. Don't stop. Keep going. That's,